So one of my beautiful subscribers asked me to record me or show a tutorial of me revamping the wig if I decided to do so. This is the Sensational Bare Lace Full Lace Unit 4 wig, and this is after a week of wearing. I also cut a little bit off the ends, and I just was over the style. It really did not need to be revamped, but why not? So I'm gonna go in with the blow dryer and blow her straight. Yes, you can blow dry your synthetic wigs. This is human hair blend, but it's mostly synthetic. You can blow dry your synthetic wigs, especially if they're heat resistant up to a certain degrees. Most of the time with synthetic wigs, they're heat resistant up to 400. I'm just gonna go in, and as you can see, it's straight. It's getting straight, and you can do that to the whole wig. So in the next clip you'll see, I'm just going to jump straight to it so you don't see the whole process. But yeah, it actually makes the wig softer as well. Just a forewarning, doing this whole process will take some of the volume out of the wig. I believe I would have described this wig as a light yaki. And with the blow drying and the flat iron, it will take some of that yakiness away and make it a bit more silky. So that's just a forewarning. If you like that yaki texture, I would suggest hot rollers or putting rollers, like regular rollers in the hair and then steaming it. I learned that from the girls, the queens, the drag queens. Most of the techniques I learned have been from the girls. I call them the girls. So watch a couple of drag queen videos on wig making or wig construction. They do a really good job. So in this step, I am just evening out the wig. Like I said previously in the beginning, I did cut some of the hair. So once I blow dry it, it was a little uneven at the end. So I just went ahead and cut to make the wig even on the ends. So now I'm going to go ahead and part as well. And I'm just measuring to see how I want to cut this wig, how I want to cut the layers. I love a wig with layers. I typically always cut layers into my wig. It's just my personal style. However, you can style the wig as you like. If you like videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and then hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload new content to this channel. Sometimes they don't notify you. So if you want to get notifications on my latest wig tutorials and wig reviews, go ahead and hit the notification bell. You can also follow me on social media. I have my personal Instagram linked in the description box below. I also have a beauty page, 1111 Beauty, or a beauty brand. So I have the Instagram page where you can see updates, as well as I have the website link below too, so you can shop my website. I am in the process of restocking, so just be patient with that. So now we're going to go ahead and curl. You want to curl on low heats. You can curl these wigs up to 400 degrees, but I prefer to keep it at like 300, 320. And once you curl it, you want to pin it in place. The hair will be hot, so be careful. This is not real hair. It's plastic, and it will hold the heat longer than natural hair. So you want to pin it up with the duck clips and let it cool down. Dropping the curl before it cools down will basically cause the curl to drop. So you want to pin it up, wait for it to cool down, and once it cools down, the curl is going to stay how it is. I already posted this tutorial on my TikTok, except it's shorter, not as detailed. But that's fine. So if you're over here for my TikTok, if you recently subscribed for my TikTok, you're gonna see this video, but it does have more detail than the one that I posted on my TikTok channel. I accidentally did not record me combing out the wig, but you're just gonna basically once the curls dry, you're gonna take the clips down, finger comb the curls out, and then brush it and have the hair lay how you want to, basically. I just want to also mention, when you curl the hair, you curl in the direction you want the hair to flow. So in the front, I did like a flip curl, and in the back, I just curled under. That's just the way I wanted the curls to flow, okay? But yeah, I'm very pleased with this. Don't forget to like this video, guys. Thanks for watching and follow me on social media. Bye.